Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you ABC juice recipe. You must be thinking what is this ABC juice? So the answer to the question is actually it is made from apples, beetroot and carrots. This nutrient rich drink boosts health, enhances skin and support overall weight loss journey. This simple and quick recipe is a healthy breakfast option for your busy mornings. So let's get started. For this recipe, I will cut half washed apple with its skin into a blender jar. Apple are very useful for controlling stress as they provide energy to the body and also they are high in fiber, especially in the skin. They support gut health and smooth digestion. They are also packed with vitamin C. They strengthen your immune system and you feel full as they are high in fiber. Next, I will cut one small washed carrot into the blender. Carrots are also very useful for your skin as well as weight loss journey as they reduce blemishes and provide skin glow. It is rich in vitamin C, keeping your skin fresh and prevents premature aging and wrinkles. And also being low in calories, carrots help you stay full without adding extra calories to your diet. As you can see, I'm cutting it. Now I will add half peeled beetroot into the blender. This nutrient rich root vegetable is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants. Known for its deep red purple color, beetroot help clear out toxins, reducing acne and dull skin. These vitamin C enriched roots promote collagen production for firm and glowing skin. Low in calories and high in fiber, you feel full for longer that prevents overeating. So add this magical drink into the blender jar and it burns fat as well and very effective for your weight loss journey. Next, I will squeeze juice of half lemon for adding flavor to my juice. As you can see, I am adding it. Now I will add some fresh washed mint leaves into the blender jar. It gives flavor as well as it is very good for digestion. I will add 1 glass of water in it and then I am gonna cover it and blend it for 2 or 3 minutes. Now I will add all this blended mixture into a strainer and strain it properly. I will use a spoon to strain and get all the mixture until get a full glass out of it. As you can see, I will be using a spoon and it's ready. Then I will put the juice in a glass. It's ready to serve. To conclude, I must say that this ABC juice is a powerhouse of nutrition that support overall health, glowing skin, and weight loss journey. Each ingredients bring unique health benefits, working together to boost health, enhance skin glow, and support weight loss naturally. This refreshing and antioxidant rich juice is a simple yet effective way to nourish your body naturally and make it a part of your routine for a healthier life and let us know in the comment box if you have enjoyed this video as your feedbacks means a lot. Thank you for watching.